Hello, have you ever wondered how to connect better with the people around you? Of course, there are people whom we like more than others, but when you are in a leadership position, you have to develop the ability to connect with your team members. The main reason why it is often impossible for people to connect with others is that they are so disconnected from themselves, their own values, strengths and weaknesses. If a person's main focus is on how to get things done and they lack an understanding of how their actions impact the people around them, they end up doing more harm than good. Last week I was asked if I could coach someone who is the director of HR in a manufacturing plant. However, the big question was, why would someone in HR at this level need coaching since they are supposed to know how to deal with people, right? When I worked in HR many years ago, I actually wondered about the same thing. I was surprised by how many people worked in HR but didn't seem to like people and would roll their eyes when someone came to ask them a question. People often pursue careers in HR because they are interested in policies, procedures, and different processes, not necessarily because they think about servicing the workforce as their customer. Having people skills or not has little to nothing to do with a position or a title. If someone works in HR, it doesn't mean this person has emotional intelligence. And being in a managerial position doesn't necessarily mean that the person has the ability to bring out the best in people. Here's how to get started. Be interested in people rather than trying to be interesting. Ask questions, be curious about their challenges, and show that you care. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.